Hi friends, today I would like to introduce new world search engine console to you, and it is a world famous one and so many followers of the site, and so that's why I would like to introduce to you also, that is YOAST SEO. So then what is the YOAST SEO? It is a tool which helps you to optimize your site, and it will improve your reading ability with the help of WordPress plugin. So WordPress plugin is a good platform to optimize your site with some of the features also is there. It will help to stop in the broken links and fixing the crawls, and it will editing that hyperlinks, and at the same time how to create and submitting the site maps, and it will select a good right keywords and key phrases, synonyms, and active and passive voices. So in this way you can keep a very high level content. You can publish a good articles in the website. You can publish a good content and messages to your colleagues, and you can share it also. So that's why so many features is there in that SEO. So before that one, I would like to introduce a great person who introduced this one, means Joost de Wack from Netherlands. He introduced this website. Before, he worked in so many IT firms. At the time only he decided to introduce a friendly user of search engine console. So that's why he introduced this one. It will help you a better way, and it will give a good content to your articles also. I hope you will be also install this YOAST SEO WordPress plugin in your website, and it will keep you a very high level in the worldwide web users. Okay, thanks to watching this video, and we will meet in that next class. Okay, bye bye.